temporary unmute for a meeting. So this is what the video is about, and please like and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your colleagues. Let's go into Teams and show you. So here we go. This new setting is can be found under the three dots, settings, and then privacy. And here you see it, the keyboard shortcut to unmute yourself temporary. So what does this do? If we join this meeting, and let's see, my mic is on, so nothing happens. But if I mute myself, now I'm muted, but I only want to say a few words and want to unmute. So what do? I press the Control spacebar, and now you can see you are unmuted. Once you release the Control plus spacebar, you are muted again. This is really a top-notch feature, I think, because lots of people only want to talk and want to be muted all the time. So great new feature. Let me know what you think about this feature, so we can check it out later, and comment to my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in the next video.